Inspect the shackle for abrasion, deformity, cuts, or sharp edges. Observe that the nylock nut sits neatly in the recess. The axle bolt and retaining screw heads should be flush or nearly so with the shackle body. For lubrication, apply a light oil to the axle bolt. In some cases, a lubrication port may be available. Opening the shackle requires 4mm and 2mm Allen keys. Use the 2mm key to remove the retaining screw. Completely remove the screw and set it aside. The retaining screw works by sitting inside of the concave surface of the axle bolt head. Failure to remove the screw completely may result in damage to the threads when removing the axle bolt. Use the 4mm key for the axle bolt. Keep your palm against the nylock nut while removing the bolt. Discard the nylock nut, as these are single-use only. We will use a new nut for reassembly. Inspect the retaining screw for damage. Inspect the axle bolt for damage. Here is a new nylock nut for reassembly. Place the axle bolt in position, thread the nut a few turns, and allow it to drop into the recess. Keep a thumb over the nut to ensure it stays in the recess. Turn the bolt until it just bottoms out against the nut. Now give the slightest extra touch with your finger. Torque spec for the nylock nut is 4.5 Newton-meters. There is no need to tighten further. Apply a thin layer of Loctite 248 or a suitable equivalent to the retaining screw. The torque spec for the retaining screw is only 1 Newton-meter. Insert the screw and turn it until it just bottoms out. The slightest extra touch is all that's required. Do not over-tighten, and remember to have fun.